Hi guys, it's Kevin Lilly here again and welcome back to another Woodland Camp and Craft video. We are on a road trip. We are going up to the Lake District to go and meet a good friend of ours. Man who needs no introductions. He's got a massive YouTube channel in the bushcraft community. So we're going off to see Carlisle195. We've just set off literally 10 minutes ago, and we've got about a 3-hour drive. I thought it was 4 hours. We've got a 3-hour drive, but yeah, really excited. Lilly's not been to the Lake District when it's been nice weather. The last time we was up there was when Storm Desmond hit, and it was grim. We ended up sleeping in the car. We couldn't even put the camping stuff out. So we're really excited. This is probably going to be a long video or split into two, because you know what John's like. He's going to be like, I'm going to be like his whipping boy. He's going to put me to work, I'm sure. So this will probably end up being a long video. So for now, it's goodbye from Kev, aka Woodland Camp and Craft, and 10 camera round. Goodbye from Lilly, from Lilly Does.
Take the exit.
So there we go then. We've just come off at Scotch Corner, so we've just left the A1. We've been in traffic for about 30 miles and lost 18 or 19 minutes. But yeah, we're off it now. We're on the A66, 50 miles of this traffic now, and from here it starts getting a little bit prettier, so we're going to enjoy the views of the ride. Get this round, Lincoln. You don't go for this round, Lincoln, you do it, Dan?
Nope.
Pretty mountains in the mist. Carlisle Castle. I'm not 100% sure what peak that is. I know we're just coming up to Bottomere and Cumbria water, so I'm trying to think, but I've lost my geography now. But yeah, it looks beautiful. So we're here. We are wild camping, Lake District, Cumbria water. Me and Lilly. We've set up now. We've gone with the TW Sargassos again on the blankets. I've gone with the front line, but what I've done this time is I've not used the netter rope.
I'm here.
We just set up and we just met this guy.
I'm here.
No idea who he is, but he's got food, so
I just randomly turned up.
and pitched up next to me. I hope you don't fart or snore.
I do snore.
Oh no!
So now we've collected a bit of firewood. Everyone knows that John likes to cook, and we want to make sure whatever he's cooking has a chance to cook throughout, so we've been on a bit of a wood hunt. Oh, we've got all the fog rolling in here. We've got fog rolling in.
Oh no! Don't kick that cake. If you kick that cake, you're having a kick.
John's. Lilly, come on mate. John's already supplying us with chocolates. We found a nice spot here, it's pretty secluded. We've had to go on the far side of the mound to the, let's say, a bit less pretty, but we had to get out of the wind. We had a bit of a job actually putting all the tarps up because it was just vicious. But you know, John says is check the weather, and that's going to die down tonight. As for the meteor shower, it's not looking likely that we're going to be able to witness a great lot tonight.
Don't jinx it.
Don't jinx it. But we're on for a better night tomorrow. We're changing locations. We're just going to wild camp here for the one night. But yeah, look at that for. Yeah, so the camera just cut off then. Just have technical trouble. So yeah, what I was about to say is just look at this for a vista. It is beautiful. That's all three of us together. Lilly's tarp's going to need a bit more work. Trouble is, you've got like 1 inch of moss and then it's just solid granite or slate. So yeah, we're just going to climb this little hill here. Just leaving the camp. I'll just use this to grab some firewood. Got a sheep. Hello.
No. Ah!
going to just go one up this hill and have a look at this lake. Right for you. Careful you don't slip. You did go the harder way, mate. We are on the top, so we'll apologise if there's any wind noise. You know what, there's little fire pits everywhere.
Look, there's more.
Yeah, there's fire pits everywhere. Really don't take anything away from the place, look at this.
Beautiful.
There's a full single beach down there.
Let's go.
We'll go down there a bit later. I think John's eager to get some cooking on and a brew. I think I'm ready for a brew.
Cake.
Cake.
So how do you get an apple into a pineapple?
No. They're like...
So it's come to this.
It starts off as a pineapple. How does it turn to an apple?
We've lit a fire. John's just made us a brew, and now we're debating pineapple pen.
Yeah.
Like, John's never heard of it, and probably never would have done unless we camped with a child. And now he's going to go home and he's going to find that, and that's going to be stuck in his head for probably...
I just don't understand how you go from a pineapple to an apple.
No, it's like different verses. He gets different objects.
So John's just noticed that these campers down here on official site have just had to go and chase the tent because it blown away.
That's the yellow one. There's a blue one there too that was pitched next to it.
Slim pickings, isn't it? Big Canadian geese there, looks like. So if we just show you from where we are, at Crummock Quarter, basically, I'm sorry I don't really know the peaks that well, but behind there, see this flat plain here with all the sheep on? Then we've got that peak there, then behind there is Buttermere. Oh, you can't really see it there now. Hopefully the fire smoke's not getting in the way, but you're that well camouflaged, the camera can't see you. No. I can just see him now. Good John. It just looks like another branch. So John's just out now. He's prepared. He's trying to prepare a spit. He's got his white sticks in, but we're trying to get the green stick, but we're actually struggling a little bit.
I keep finding bits of acorns.
There's not a lot of straight stuff in this bit of woods where we're at. Oh, just look at it.
It's all about the colour first, then we'll wrap it in tin foil and get the fire built up a bit.
So nice and brown now, so it's all covered in foil. This is John's method. Whenever I do stuff on the spit, I just leave it as it is. But what is that to hold the juices in or something?
Say again?
Is that to hold the juices in?
Yeah, yeah. And every time you turn it, it self-bastes itself. The juice will like collect under here and boil, and then when you turn it, it obviously mixes over the rest of the meat.
And also it stops the outside from burning too much as you get the core temperature in it.
So, food is almost served. Look at this. Look at that. Don't you always wish you could have some of that?
Yeah.
Hey, Lily's salivating.
I want to touch.
I would say wish she was here, but I don't, because then there'd be less for us.
It's like a whole pot.
Mystic fire.
Hot sock. Yeah, they're a lot warmer.
Won't be dry though.
No.
Morning everyone. So it's Saturday morning. I think I can just hear John getting up. Check out my view for the morning. Check this out. It's about 9:30. And it is beautiful. It is just ridiculous. Why can't I wake up like this every morning? The sun is beaming down on my face. It's lovely and warm. Lovely blue skies, mountains. Oh God, look at it. Morning, John.
Dude, that ankle is perfectly back to normal.
Is it?
Look at that.
Oh man, it just needed a rest then, didn't it?
Aye, the swelling's completely gone and everything.
Awesome sound of a rolling boil for a brew. So there's John representing, look. Woodland Camera Craft t-shirt.
Living the dream.
It's bright like. We'll have to roll you around in some mud. So John's took care of breakfast. Some bacon on the go. Look at that for a nice bacon bath in the morning. I bet them ramblers who have had ready oats and porridge and that, I bet they can smell this from a mile away.
After the tent was blown away.
Must be 20 strong there.
Oh, you need to be alright.
There's loads in there.
About 20, yeah.
Like ants. Sorry lads, got tuck in. Did you hear the other day on the live chat that said if you tap 40 times a second you can respond to them?
Yeah. That is a woodpecker. I reckon it's on the other side of that bit of tree, you know.
Yeah, with that dead branches that split. So that's the world famous food bag ready. John's all ready.
Sorted.
I'm ready. And Lily's ready.
Yay!
So that is us away. Thank you very much, Crummock Water. You've blessed us with dark skies, beautiful stars, beautiful sun, lake.
And meteorites we got to see.
Yeah, shooting stars, meteorites. So you've been good to us, and we'll definitely be back at some point. But now, off to Ennerdale, night 2, somewhere else, somewhere new. Road trip. We've got some campers down on the beach. Don't know if it's steady night, but definitely having fun, which is all about. Enjoying the beauty that is the Lake District. All that hard work with all that walking vlogs, weekend with John's all gone out the window. Massive meals, massive amount of goodies. And it's normally me that does all cooking and camping for the camp, but John has just felt like a king. Really looked after us. Top man. Everyone should go check out his channel. I'm sure most of us would have seen it, but if not, it'll be in the link in the description for the video. we're nearly at the lake. It would have been nice to face the lake when we camped, but the wind was such that it wasn't viable. But onto lake 2, and I hope that we can this time. Oh, it looks a lot nicer today. A bit marshy.
Wow, I want to go in it.
Height of summer here would be awesome, wouldn't it? I've actually slept here before in a tent. Filming you, filming me.
Camera on, camera action.
Come in this side, come through the gate then, darling. I see what you mean about the sign.
Yeah, no jump.
That's why I keep wanting to bring you back. I love the Lake District. It's my favourite place on earth too.
Especially all the water. First I thought this place was going to be horrible and windy. But it's not.
It's beautiful, isn't it? I like this track. You just stay close, darling, alright?
Yep. I'm more worried about my iPad than anything.
I'm more worried about your eyesight. Getting smashed off on the block.
Hello. Really small.
Yeah, you'll be alright. Just use it like steps. I've got you. You can.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. I've got you on the slippy part, darling. Look. Come on, you can do it. Don't put your hands on John's moss. He's got his eye on that moss. He'll come back with a big van. Primrose here, look.
Ah, see ya.
Crazy, huh?
That means they had to come up on the motorbike.
Oh no! Well, you can if you want.
You can just see Buttermere Lake there. So we was camping on Crummock Water, which is east of that. That's where we was camping last night. Feels like you're on top of the world, don't it?
It's cold and windy.
We're climbing mountains. We got high. We're high now. Nearly at the peak. You're doing awesome, mate. We did it. We got right to the top. Well, as far as we could get. That's a scramble. We're not climbing up that.
Where's John?
Look at that waterfall right down there. Look.
Wow. Yeah, where's John?
Oh, he's gone right to the top, but